Hey credit cousins, welcome back to the channel where we break down the complex world of finance into bite-sized pieces that even a newbie can understand. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 100,000 credit cousins, so I hope for you to be one of them. And make sure you click that notification bell so you never miss an update from me. Now let's dive right in. Today we're tackling a question that's been popping up a lot lately. How do you liquidate a credit card? You might be wondering, what does it mean to liquidate a credit card? Well, it's all about turning your available credit into cash. There are a few ways to do this, but remember, it's important to understand the terms and conditions of your card before you proceed. One method that's been getting a lot of buzz is using a Wave account and an invoice. If you're not familiar with Wave, it's an online platform that allows you to manage your finances, including invoicing. You can use it to invoice yourself and pay with your credit card. But wait, can you liquidate any credit card? Well, it depends on the credit card and the issuer policies. Some cards may have restrictions or fees associated with cash advances or similar transactions. Another method that has been highly mentioned in the retail sector is a retail method. Now, this involves making purchases with your card and then returning them for a cash or check. However, this method can be really risky and is not recommended. Some people have also mentioned using services like Western Union, Plastic, Milo, Venmo, PayPal, and Stripe. Now, these services allow you to send money or make payments using your credit card, effectively turning your credit into cash. One thing to also note is that some credit cards like PenFed Credit Union allows you to transfer your credit limit into your checking account. Now, this is a straightforward way to liquidate your credit card. This is the way that I recommend to do it because it's with a credit union. They're allowing you to actually use convenient checks to allow you to actually transfer your credit into cash. But again, it's important to understand the terms and conditions associated with this. So there you have it, folks. A few ways to liquidate a credit card. Remember, it's very important to use these methods responsibly and understand the potential costs and consequences. Now, what do you think? Have you ever liquidated a credit card? What method did you use? Let us know in the comments below. We're always looking for a new hot gem to try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We are on our way to 100,000 credit cousins. And remember, stay savvy, stay informed, and stay awesome. Until next time, this is your girl designer Soapbox signing off. Bye.